All right, much of the focus on kind of a yucky weekend on tap, but right here, right now, not terrible in the sun. Not warm,
Right.
but not awful.
Yeah, Dave, so the timing of all this is tricky, right? And so much has to happen for this to even happen eventually.
Yeah, well, when we've got the time frame, Christine and Kenny, it looks like it'll be this weekend, but kind of picking out some of the times in there when the onset will be, and if there's a changeover to a different type of precipitation, that's what we've got to pin down, and we'll work through that as we go through the weekend, just to know the weekend's going to be a little unsettled, not all that beautiful. You see, we do have beautiful skies out there. Graham right now, blue skies for the most part, where it's 42 in Burlington, not far from there at the moment. 41 in Greensboro, it's 38 Danbury, and 36 at Mount Airy, so a little chillier in the foothills, and then you get back out in the mountains. They didn't even get up to 30 this afternoon up at West Jefferson and Boone. They've had some breezes up there. We've had a few here in the Piedmont this afternoon as well, 10, 15 miles per hour over Alamance and Guilford County. And you can see our wind chill temperatures up in the mountains primarily, where it's into the teens. Feels like 4 at Banner Elk right now with the winds and those cold temperatures in place. High pressure in area right now, and that's bringing in the sunshine. We'll have another nice day tomorrow with mostly sunny skies for the most part. If you're looking for a storm system on here for the weekend, not on here yet. Hasn't occurred yet. I haven't even seen the thing build into the area or even back out to the southwest. So we'll watch for that as we go through time. Of course, you can watch right here, WXI12.com as well. Chilly and dry for tomorrow. Temperatures with mostly sunny skies, mid-40s, Piedmont foothills, around 40 in the mountains. So they're going to warm up by their standards up there. Still chilly by our standards, and it'll be a little breezy in the mountains tomorrow too. Then as we get into Wednesday evening, there's a little system, a dying cold front that's going to try and push through here. It might bring a little sprinkle or two across the area, maybe a shower or snow shower up in the mountains or the higher elevations as we go into tomorrow evening. Then as we get into today, Thursday, things clear out. Look at these temperatures. 57 Triad, 60 in Charlotte, near 60 down around Raleigh. Still chilly up in the mountains, but at least this will be the day, if you have a chance to get outside, this might be the day to do it on Thursday. So a cold morning tomorrow. We'll be in the teens. It'll be chilly sunshine in the afternoon. We'll be into the 40s. Maybe a couple degrees warmer than today. And then for Thursday, we'll be in the 50s, as I mentioned, and then dry. Friday will be chilly. There might be a few showers in here for Friday as well. Then the weekends, when we're looking at the significant winter storm that may start to take shape sometime during the day Saturday, maybe early Saturday, maybe in the afternoon. That's what we kind of have to pin down, or some of the time frames that we're looking at in there. This is Friday. Notice we're still kind of in this moderately marginal air in the 40s for temperatures on Friday. Then as we get into Saturday and Sunday, that colder air really starts to lock in across the area at the surface, and that's going to help provide the air that we need to get some wintry type precipitation to develop. This is one model, shows on Saturday we see this precipitation starting to come in. Again, take these times with a grain of salt. This is afternoon, maybe earlier in the day, maybe a little bit later, and it looks like it comes through and we get a little bit of snow in here as we get into Saturday, maybe changing over on Sunday to a mixed precipitation. The mid layers look like in the atmosphere look like they may warm up a little bit. That spells out the chance that we could see some melting aloft and then refreezing at the surface. That may be sleet. It could be freezing rain. Doesn't look all that great right now. This could change with time, so keep that in mind, but that is not a great scenario, and that's not really what we want to see because that icing can lead to power outages, bad roadways, and all the things that go with that, including power outages that would be possible. So a winter storm developing as that colder Arctic air arrives Saturday through the weekend, and then precipitation, substantial snow and icing are possible. We could see some accumulations. We're trying to work on what that might be across the area. They could be significant. And then some travel delays likely, and if we get some ice in here or freezing rain or sleet, we could see the potential for some power outages. And of course, slick travel goes without mentioning almost. We may see the roads deteriorate quickly at the onset of this, whenever that is on Saturday. More ice could lead to power outages as mentioned, and melting early week will be slow. It will be cold into the first part of the week, and you'll see that right here on the 7-day forecast. So if you want to get outside, tomorrow and Thursday, the days to do it. Thursday's the best, 56. Chance for showers in here Friday, a little chilly. And then the weekend impacts that are in here for some snow on Saturday, maybe a wintry mix on Sunday. Highs below freezing both days. Sunday morning 15, very cold. And then you say, well, if anything accumulates or we do get something on the ground that may stick around for a while, Monday and Tuesday temperatures into the teens, around 10 on Tuesday morning, and highs on Monday and Tuesday right around freezing. That's all we'll get.